y'all, welcome back to my Subscription Box Life channel. Today we are going to be unboxing one of my favorite boxes, subscription boxes. It's Decocrated. This is their winter box. It says seasonal and stylish, and on the back it tells you winter 2022. Ooh, we got some fragile stuff in here. I'm very curious. It's a cute box. See, all wintry. I actually saved these boxes because it's a nice sturdy box and it's easy to store your items in when you're finished using them. So whatever you're done with at the end of the season that you don't want to keep out, I just put them in my box and I store them in my little storage area, and they're safe and sound until the winter season comes around again. But I'm very curious about this one. Let me tell you a little bit about Decocrated. They are a decor subscription. Right now they're having Cyber November, and you can get $50 off your quarterly or annual subscription. And at decocrated.com you can go and they have a code that you can use. So their subscriptions are, you can purchase an annual subscription, and that's 4 boxes within a year, one for each season, and that's $75 a box. And they also have a quarterly subscription where they bill you every 3 months, and that is $89.99 for each box, and that would be billed to whatever card you put on into your subscription information. So it'd be done every 3 months. All right, that's exciting. $50 off a subscription. That's a significant amount. All right, so let's get into it. I'm excited. One of my favorite boxes. All right. Oh, nice. Look. Welcome to wintertime. This is what you see when you open it up. Oh, how exciting. Oh, how exciting. Open it. Open it. I love it. It's cute. They put effort into their box as well. That tells you it's going to be good. All right, so this is what you see. You get a little envelope here. It says, let's decorate. Decocrate. Let's decocrate. All right. Let's get into this. This little envelope usually has a postcard picture in it, and oh, they have stickers. Here's stickers. Nice wintry little stickers. Here it is. Here's the postcard picture, and I do use these, and it's nice because it's double-sided. So here's Merry and Bright, and then the opposite side, Happy New Year. I like the colors on these. All right, and then they give you a little booklet too, so if you're like me and don't have a decorating thumb, I'll call it, this gives you some ideas. And I don't want to, oh, here, first page gives us an idea of what the color palette's going to be. Ooh, I like these color palette. It's look like gray, blue-gray, dark blue, charcoal gray. But this little booklet gives you decorating ideas of what to do with the items you get in this box, which I need. I need that. But I don't want to show you too much because I don't want to spoil it. So, let's see. Put this aside. See what we have. Item looks like a throw, maybe a blanket of some sort. This will be nice. Yeah, this will look great on my couch. It's grays, whites. This is nice. I like this. All right, what is the next thing we have? Everything in here is packaged very carefully too, so that it doesn't get broken. Oh, this is nice. It's a wooden snowflake cut out. And this is interesting because usually you'll get the silhouette of a snowflake, and this is unique. It's round and then they have the snowflake cut out inside. That is really neat. It's sturdy. It smells good too, like wood. I have an idea of where I'm going to put this. Very nice. Empty. Okay. This is the last box we have in here. Getting this box is like getting Christmas presents every quarter because they tend to have things boxed up within the box, and you open the box, it's a surprise, and then you continue to get surprises because each box has an individual little interesting item in it. Oh, this is cute. It's like a decorative basket. This is cute. So it's a lighter wood, which I love. This color wood is so in style right now it's like a faux leather handle. It's light enough that if you wanted to, you could hang it on your wall. And it's inside, we have some greenery inside. So this isn't it. There's more. There's more. Oh, look. We have some cute little greenery here. Now this is where it comes in handy for me with the little booklet that they send along, because I never know what to do with greenery. Greenery is not my strong point when it comes to decorating. So, but this is cute. It's got little pine cones on it. This is very interesting. Really cute. Really cute. Okay. What else do we have here? I'm going to guess this might be a table runner. Let's see. Either that or maybe it's pillow covering. Maybe a pillow covering. Let's see. What do we have? Ah, I was right. It's a table runner. And I love the color. This will go great on my table as well. They did good. They did good this winter season. And this item could be used any time of the year. This can be used any time of the year. Your greenery would go as well. This is very wintry, but it's awesome. You could even use this if you wanted to take these little sides off. You could use this as just a flat little decor on your table. And of course, this blanket too could be used at any time of year. So, nice job. Nice job, Decocrator. We have this. And don't fall. And our table runner. Very nice. These colors go fantastic together. Nice. All right, so I'm going to go decorate. I will show you what I've come up with, and so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, subscribe to this channel, like the video. The more subscriptions I get and likes I get, the more chances it will be that I can get you some special discounts with links just for you to some of these subscription boxes. So you can try them out with a discount. Who doesn't like to save money? So for the decorators out there, this is one of my favorite boxes. I also have Instagram, Twitter, and I have a Gmail, which I also am putting down in the comments. So if you want to see any other unboxings from some different brand, let me know, and I will try to get it for us and unbox it. We can unbox it together. But good job this month, Decocrators. I'll show you what I come up with.